Amp is the one which holds on the load cell and the other setup which are being employed. A load cell is a force transducer or sensor. It converts a force such as tension, pressure or compression into electrical signal by means of HX711 module. A spring or cable reel is employed to decrement the altitude between the peak and the feet during the suicidal attempt. HX711 is a digital weight sensor and it is a precision 24-bit analog to digital converter. Compared with other weight sensing chips, HX711 has many advantages like fast response, immunity, low cost, high integration, etc. The Arduino is an open source electronic platform based on easy to use hardware and software. Arduino board read inputs and turn it into an output. It consists of both physical programmed circuit board and a piece of software or IDE that runs on the computer. Buzzer is used here to alert the third party during the time of suicidal attempt. Alarming system is employed over active buzzer alarm module for Arduino.